How to recover your Bitget wallet. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily recover your Bitget wallet if you have forgotten its password. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Bitget wallet, and from here you are just going to tap on login or sign up. Once you do that, you can just enter the email address or phone number that's tied up with your account. And once you enter that, tap on next. So once you do this, it will take you to the password page. You will just have to complete a short captcha for that, like this. And once you do your verification, now you will just have to enter your password. But if you don't remember it, you can tap on forgot your password. And then from here, you can just enter the email address that you have where they will send your reset code. So go ahead and enter the code like this. You will again have to complete a short captcha. Tap on OK. So once the verification is complete, now you will just have to enter the code that has been sent to your email. Alright, so once you have entered your code, you are prompted to enter a new password or create a new password. I suggest you use a combination of different numbers, letters, and symbols to create a strong password, and also make sure that you will remember it in the future. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.